at office. While holding her bag, Vine came towards the entrance of the office in which she got selected as a head designer. She stopped and looked at her hand watch and she took a deep breath as she was on time. She set her hairs and dressed and went inside the office, maintaining her cold expression. Just as she went inside the office, after 2 minutes, a black car got stopped at the entrance of the office, and a guard hurriedly came forward and opened the door of the car. And there he came, the CEO, John Jungkook. Having a cold and serious expression on his face, he took a step forward and guard closed the door. Jungkook went inside the office, followed by his guard. Putting her bag on the table, she sat at the table, having a small smile on her face. She sat on the chair and said to herself, after a lots of hard and struggling, finally I am at this position now. Today is my first day, but I hope things will go out nice here with me. Just as she was done saying this, she heard a knock on the door and gave her permission. A girl who was an employee came inside and said, hello, ma'am, my name is Maya, and I am here to let you know that Mr. John wants to meet you in his office. Vine nodded her head and May left from there. Vine went inside her thoughts. This name, Jion, it was very familiar to her. Vine. There are many persons with this name. Vine. Let's go, boss is waiting. Within a blink, she found herself standing right in front of the guy which she never expected to see in her life. Well, there are many persons with this same name, but destiny, it can take to that same person again and again. She wasn't even blinking her eyes, she was only looking at her ex-boss or her ex-boyfriend, Jeon Jungkook. Jungkook was looking down, holding a file. He wasn't looking at her, neither he asked her to sit. She was standing right in front of him. She came back when she heard his rough and cold voice. Jungkook, what is your designation here, Miss Wan? She gulped. He was still looking at the file. Wan. Head designer, sir. Suddenly he looked at her, making her breath stuck. They both were making an eye contact when she again heard him saying, why are you shuddering, Miss Wan? Are you that low in your confidence level, or you have done a crime that you are scared of me? Her lips parted away, but she didn't break the contact. He was also looking at her intensively. Vine, I'm sorry, sir. Jungkook, sorry for what? He again bombarded on her and stood up from his seat. Vine looked down nervously and he came in front of her, looking at her small figure. Jungkook, sorry for what, Miss Vine? Have you done something for which you are sorry? She knew where he was going. What was he trying to say? Jungkook, forget it. Jungkook went back to his seat and Vine looked at him a little bit shocked because she thought that he will confront her, but he didn't. Jungkook forwarded a file towards her and said, this is my upcoming project and I want you to make a draft of this within 3 hours. And 3 hours, Jungkook, I don't like to repeat myself, Miss Vine. If you are capable enough, then do it or leave this job. Vine looked at him. She knew he was testing her and she had to prove it. So she picked up the file and noted taking a leave, but her step got halted when Jungkook said only 3 hours. Vine turned back and looked at him, who was holding a file. She left the office, and Jungkook looked up at the friend and put that file on the table. He picked up another file, which was the CV of Vine. She looked at the file for a second, and in the next minute, he detached Vine's picture and said, while looking at it, "Or you were sorry for turning your back on me, Vine." In the next second, his eyes turned red, and he crushed her pictures between his hands. Coming inside the cabin, she put the file on the desk and taking a support of the table, she sat on her seat. Her eyes were moist and wan. Look at time and the situation. We met again, but the circumstances are different. Where we are standing in past and now look at us. They had their past, which was not good at all, but no one knew what had happened and what made them like this. Van never knew you will turn like that. The charming, happy, smiling, and cheerful Jungkook has now turned into cold and a rough one because of me. Here he also looked at the clock. Only half hour was remaining, and then he heard a door knock and a smirk appear on his left. He gave the permission, and he knew who it was. Vine came inside, taking slow steps, and stood in front of him. "Jungkook, have a seat," he said, looking at her, and she slowly took a seat, and he was continuously looking at her, having no expression. Jungkook took the file from her hand and looked at it. Vine was sure that she had done a good job, but in an instant, Jungkook banged that file on the desk, making her start it. "Jungkook, I asked you to give me a draft for my project, but you are submitting a piece of junk. You seriously think that I will accept this piece of..." Van looked at him shocked and in disbelief. How can he insult her hard working like that? She was out of the words. "Jungkook, I'm not here to entertain you, Miss Vine. Explain all this." Van girlfriend said, looking at him. "I did as you..." She got cut in between when he said, "Do it again." Van looked at him with wide eyes and said, "What?" "Jungkook, again. Do it again, and that's in 2 hours." Fine. How am I going to do it in 2 hours? It take lot of time and effort. And Jungkook, I'm a CEO, Miss Vine. Don't tell me about what is this effort. Keep your words to yourself. I need results. Vine, but sir, how? Jungkook, you can leave now. He gave her a shut up call indirectly, and she looked at him being hurt. She took the file and dashed out of the cabin in anger and being hurt. Jungkook looked at the door and said, "You think you are good at playing the games, but the table are turned now, and now the real game has started. Just wait and watch." Jungkook and Vine both had a past, but no one knew what it was except both of them. She was working like a mad woman. Her hand was hurting due to continuously writing, but she wasn't stopping it. That's because she had dream of this job, and also she had to show him that she is good at it. Only 5 minutes were left, and she was almost done when she heard the knock on the door. She gave the permission but didn't look at it as she was busy. The person came inside and sat in front of her, and she stopped and slowly looked at the front only to find Jungkook there, who was already looking at her expressionlessly. "Jungkook, done," he said calm, but in his deep voice, whine almost. "Jungkook, I don't think we need that anymore, so stop working on it. It was only 5 minutes left, and now he has come and said he don't need it anymore." Then why did he ask her to make it again? She was looking at him confused when he continued. I have go through your previous draft and it's not that bad, so we will go with it. Get on it from tomorrow. Saying that he stood up to leave, but then Vine said, making him stop. Vine, Jungkook, what is this? He didn't turn back, but there was a small smirk on his face. Vine approached him and said, if you didn't needed it, then why did you ask to make it again? And second, why are you telling me now? You could have said it an hour ago, or is it you are doing it purposely? In the next moment, she knew was that her back hit the wall, and Jungkook pulled her jaw tightly and glared at him. She herself was shocked. Jungkook was glaring at her with his sharp red eyes. She was feeling a slight pain on her jaw. She couldn't believe that he was that same Jungkook. Jungkook, first, it's not Jungkook, it's Sir for you. Let me tell you a secret. I can do anything I want because I own this place. I am a boss here and you are just an employee. So first show some respect or else you know what where the exist is. Slowly he left her jaw and started dusting his clothes while saying, one more thing, I didn't did that on purpose because if I had to do, I had many ways and this was one nothing. Consider is nothing, he said calmly and looked at her who was already shocked. Jungkook, why are you looking at me like that? Oh yeah, I remember we have met before and at that time I wasn't like this. I wasn't cold, I wasn't bossy, I wasn't rude. That's what you were about to say, right? Vine was looking at him with wide eyes. He chuckled and came towards her and said calm but coldly, Jungkook, well, things are different now. Situation is different now. I was a fool back then, but not anymore. I used to trust easily, but not anymore. He came dangerously close to her and said, and you know what? People around me were fake. Or should I say, everything was fake, or you were fake. He whispered the last line on her face near her lips. She gulped and looked at his lip and then at his eyes. She was shocked and hurt that she was the reason, but why was he behaving like that and why she wasn't protesting? Was he true that she was fake, but what was that thing or what had happened which turned him like that? Both were standing close to each other, looking in each other's eyes.